Hi, today we will see how to delete a page from a page list. Okay, so for example, I have a page list called test list, and this test list uh, has a attribute called test ID, and we are writing a logic where whenever the test ID is equal to b, then we have to delete that particular page from the page list. So here you can see that I have written a data transform, and in this data transform, first I am setting the test ID values for all 4 pages in a temp on this temp page list. So the values which I am setting here are A, B, C and B, and I want to remove those pages in the temp page list where the test ID is equal to B. So for that, what I am doing is I have done a for each page in on temp.test page list, and I am checking a when condition that if the test ID is equal to B, then from that temp page list I am reviewing this page where this value is B. Okay, so this is a logic which I have written. Now let's understand what is the issue with this. To understand that, I am going to run it and show it to you. So I am coming here and run. Once I do run, let me trace it so that we can understand nicely, and I am executing it. So on execution it is showing valid. Let's go to the tracer. Let me pause it. So let's go to the test page list on our temp page. So here you can see what I was doing is I was removing the page wherever the test ID was B, but in the end result what we can see that there are still 3 pages. What was expected was that we should have only 2 pages, like with the test ID as A and C. So this is the issue with for each page in, and if you want to remove some pages from the page list. Now how to resolve this issue? So I have written another data transform where I have resolved this issue. Okay, so here also I am doing the same thing. I am adding for this page list, I am adding this attribute and setting with the values of A, B, C and again B. Okay, so here I have added step number 6 and 7 to resolve this issue. Okay, so let me first comment this code of step number 5. Let me save. Let me comment this code and save. So the logic here is that on the temp page list, okay, wherever the test ID is B, I am going to mark that particular page to be as deleted. So this is a PY deleted object. This is I am marking as true. Once this is marked, I can use an OTP activity remove deleted objects, and here you can see what is there, what I am calling. Here you can see this is what I am calling here. I am calling the temp page list, and I am calling this OOTP from app definition utilities. I am using this remove deleted objects as OOTP activity. Okay, and what it is going to do is it is going to remove all the pages for which the PY deleted object was marked as true. Okay, now just run this. First let me trace. And then execute. Here you can see it is valid. Let's go to the tracer. Here you can see same page we have only 2 values, and wherever the value was B, those pages from the page list have been removed. This is how we can use this OTP activity and remove the pages. This will be helpful in your project in given scenario.